Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and happy payday if you're on the same payday as me. I am so excited for this cash stuffing. If you guys know the drill, I'm going to be stuffing my sinking funds and cash envelopes and going over my budget for this pay period with you guys. If you guys are interested in budgeting videos, you can subscribe to my channel down below. I post them every single 2 weeks. I'm starting to get more into delving into more budget content here on my channel, and I cannot wait for it. So if you guys are interested in seeing my budget for the week and my cash envelope stuffing, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, you know the drill. I am 25 years old. I work full time. I am trying to save as much money as I can, as well as pay off my car as soon as possible. And that is basically the gist. So let's go ahead and get into my budget. I didn't tape these pages into my planner just yet, so they're just free range papers right now. But let's go ahead and get into the bills and everything. So this paycheck breakdown sheet is from Yours Truly Printables. I picked it up on Etsy. I will have a link for everything that I mentioned in this video down below for you guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. My paycheck was the 26th, and you're watching this on Sunday the 28th. I don't share my income here on my channel. I don't do zero-based budgeting. I just kind of budget to my liking, if that makes sense. So for this paycheck, I have just a few bills, which is always really nice. So I have PicMonkey, Adobe, iCloud, TubeBuddy, Disney Plus, as well as Chase's monthly fee, all to equal out to $60. So that is what I have to keep in the bank. All of my bills are taken out electronically, so I just leave this amount in my account, as well as a little bit of a buffer. God forbid something happens and I need some money in my account. As you guys can see, if you are not new here, usually this is where I have my cash envelopes. For this paycheck, I decided to just use my credit card just to get some points, because I really haven't been using my credit card, and I do have it. So I just want to make sure that I am using it like periodically. So that is just going to be for this week. So I just bought my groceries. I'm using that for my gas as well as my personal money. So that's going to equal about $300 or so. And that's how much I put on my credit card, so that I can, spend that through this pay period. That's why I'm not stuffing this amount. Moving on to my sinking funds over here. I'm not stuffing that many this paycheck. It was a little smaller of a paycheck because I was a little spendy last pay period, so now I'm paying for it, honestly. So we're always going to pay ourselves, so I am stuffing savings, 175. Vacation's going to get 20. Birthday's going to get 25. Clothing is going to get 10. Electronics is going to get 10. Down payment's going to get 25. Social is going to get 25. Miscellaneous is going to get 10. Cushion is going to get 20. Beauty is going to get 80, because guys, if you don't follow my other videos, like my hair videos and everything like that, my hair lady fit me into her schedule. I'm getting a relaxer. I am so excited. So I had to stuff beauty a little bit more. Spending is going to get 10. House is going to get 10, as well as gift is going to get 5. So here I also have my cash envelope breakdown. This here is from Sheets by JC. I will also have this sheet linked down below for you guys, so you're able to get a cash envelope breakdown. This is how I figure out what denominations I need to take to the bank, and I go ahead and take a little cash envelope card with me to the bank to give to the teller when I get there. So we're going to be stuffing $425. I'm just stuffing my sinking funds, like I said. So usually when I stuff my cash envelopes, it's a little bit more money, but since I'm not stuffing those, it's a cheeky little amount for my cash. So we're going to go ahead and stuff this money. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my little tray, and we'll get into the stuffing. Let's get started. I go ahead and keep all of my cash envelopes and sinking funds in this Done waterproof, fireproof case. It just makes me feel more safe having my money in here versus, just out free in it, you know? So let's go ahead and get into the cash stuffing. These binders I picked up from Michael's. I'm sure you can find dupes for them on like Amazon or anything like that, or your local Michael's. So let's go ahead and get into this stuffing. Let me take a drink. I have a chai here, you guys. It is so good. Yum. Okay. Let me get my cash envelope sheet so I know how much I'm stuffing. So I'm going to stuff this binder first. This has my savings in it. So savings, I actually filled out the envelopes already off camera too, you guys, because that last week worked so well for me. So this is my savings envelope. It has $373. I'm going to add $175 to get $548. So we're going to add 150, 75. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so in savings we should have 548. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 535. Oh, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. I don't know why, guys. That 50 always tricks me up. But it's funny. When I watch other people's videos, I'm like, girl, I feel you. When they get caught up with the 50s, I'm like, girl, yes, I feel you there. Because I don't know why 50s be tripping us up. So we're going to go ahead and close this binder. Put that to the side. Take out this binder. And take out all these envelopes. And let's get into stuffing. So, like I said, vacation is going to get $20. And with this, vacation is going to have 85. So we're going to add 20. So now vacation has 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. Whoa. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. My goodness. I can't count, you guys. So that's great for vacation. Next up is birthday. Birthday is going to get 25. And if you guys didn't know, my birthday is not until November. So I'm so excited to already have this money. So we're going to get 20 and a 5. So birthday should have 90. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, and 90. We're almost at $100, you guys. I can't wait to switch out my bills. I'm probably going to switch them out at the end of March. Sounds good to me. Clothing, which I forgot last time, you remember, guys, is going to get $10. So with this $10, we're going to have 25. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, I forgot. It's supposed to have 25, but I didn't put an extra dollar in. You know what? I'm actually going to get that extra dollar and add it in here. Just so that everything is correct. I'm going to take it from my rollover envelope here. Just take $1. I'm actually going to take out 3 so I can add the other $2 to my savings so that we have an even number in my savings, because my savings has 548 and it would just be nice to have 550 in there. So we're just going to add $1. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Perfect. And I don't mind taking from my rollover envelope because like that is pretty much what it's there for. Just like extra money. Electronics is going to get $10. And guys, I am still loving my exercise bike. If you were here last time, I'm sorry. It is like my favorite thing still. So we're going to add $10. So now electronics has 81. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81. Love to see it. Down payment is going to get 25. I can't wait for this to be like at 1,000, you guys. It's going to be so amazing. So with this 25, down payment is going to have 85. So let's go ahead and get into that. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Love it. I'll also have my envelopes and everything linked down below for you guys as well. Social is going to get 25. I actually didn't get to go out with my girlfriends because we had a snowstorm. So with this 25, we're going to have 95 in here. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. So good. And like I said, with like restaurants and everything being back open, definitely going to be using this envelope. Miscellaneous is going to be getting $10. With this $10, miscellaneous is going to have 65. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. Guys, sometimes I just can't count. It's so funny. Alright, stick that in there. Cushion is going to get $20. And with this 20, we're going to have 75. So we have 20, 40, 60, 75. I can't wait to get this up to my $500 buffer. We'll be there before we know it. I think we can definitely do that before the end of the year. For sure. Beauty is going to be getting $80 because your girl's getting her hair done. I'm so excited. So with this 80, we're going to have 160. So 20, 40, 60, and 80. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Oh, I don't have 160 because I used that 40. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. That's fine. I forgot I used that other 40 when I went to the beauty supply store. So that's okay. I'll update that envelope later. So I don't have a pen on me right now. So that's actually perfectly fine. Online spending is going to get $10. I've been really good with my spending, you guys. I haven't really been going crazy. With this $10, we're going to have 75. So we're going to just take that 10. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So yeah. House is going to get $10. I'm missing a $10 bill. Uh-oh. Oh, I think she didn't do it right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, I didn't do something right. That's fine. I didn't do it right. But that's fine. We can just keep it like this. So now house has 60, so 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. I meant to put the 5 singles into miscellaneous, because sometimes if there's like a miscellaneous expense, I need singles, but it's fine. So now house has 60. Perfect. And lastly here, gifts is going to get $5. And gifts with this 5 is going to have 95. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. That was super good. Let me go ahead and add that $2 to my savings envelope so that we have a nice even number to work with. So I don't have a pen nearby, so it's just gonna be a nice surprise the next time that I go to do my envelope. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have $550 in savings. How awesome sauce. Alright, you guys, that will be it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Like I said, I post new cash stuffings every bi-weekly. So yeah, if that interests you guys, I would love for you to subscribe, and I will talk to you all in my next video very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.